Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to blow your mind. I'm going to get you guys money and results. I want you guys to really crush it. So this is one of the biggest offers on Maxbounty, and with this offer alone I think I've made several $100,000. I could show you and everything, but I don't care about showing proof or anything. It takes too much work anyway, and I think it's kind of braggy and stuff, and so I'm going to start pushing away from doing that. But take it or leave it, I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars with just this offer right here, and a lot of offers similar to this one. Now, I wanted to kind of make a quick video, whether it's quick or big video. This is about getting you guys results, and every single day, I really just want to make videos showing you methods that will get you results. So this is the offer I want to talk about today. This is a free method for beginners and everything. So here we are on Maxbounty. This is a CPA network. And I picked this offer for you guys. This offer crushes it, all right? And it says no YouTube traffic, but you can run YouTube traffic, okay? It's just about how you work around it. But anyway, this method doesn't involve YouTube, but you can actually scale this method for free with YouTube content if you want to also do that. But anyway, this offer pays out $1.80 freaking cents per lead, and it just converts like crazy easy. And you don't have to promote this offer. You can promote this offer or any sweepstake giveaway offer you can find on Maxbounty or any other CPA affiliate marketing network you can find, okay? It's super simple. And then 300 actions per day is the cap for it. But then when you reach that cap and the quality's good, you can reach out to your affiliate manager and basically say, hey, can I get higher conversions per day? And then they're like, okay. Or you're like, hey, can I get a higher cost per lead per day? I personally, this is one of my kind of test accounts in a way, I guess you could say, but it also is a big enough account. But I have several accounts so that I can kind of have a higher daily cap on multiple things, have a lot of different things running. But when you're really high level, you could do stuff like that. But you'll have to slowly make your way to understanding things like that as you are making money. The whole key here is to make you reach, I think this would be like somewhere around $400 to $500 per day when you cap it out. But you most likely won't cap it out every single day, especially with free methods, but you'll make hundreds of dollars per day if you promote this one offer, guys, okay? So I'm going to go in depth here and share with you how you can actually crush it with this offer, okay? And the traffic that converts with this is basically everyone. Everyone who's above 18 years old in United States, all right? It could be on desktop or mobile. Now, the traffic source that's free that I want to explain to you guys is it's a social media traffic source. It's called TikTok here. So I just randomly pulled up TikTok here to show you guys. But TikTok's a massive platform. If you just want to see how much traffic they get per day, you can divide that by 30 based off how much they get per month. But they get like 2 billion people per month and growing. YouTube gets like 33 billion per month. You can look into that if you want to, but TikTok's a big platform. Has a lot of people on it, and the content gets pushed out there a lot. And so if you make several TikTok accounts or just one TikTok account, listen closely to what I'm saying, because you can make a lot of money doing this, guys, and it will help you make hundreds of bucks per day with Maxbounty or any other network you want to leverage. Or you can just promote this offer straight up, okay? And so it's easier than you think, because here's what it takes. It takes this. You go here to Google Sites, or you go to ClickFunnels, and I'll show you how to make a ClickFunnels funnel in a second. And you can build an email list and everything if you want to. But you could just make a simple landing page, because you want to make a landing page, because you can't really direct link these offers. And so you just click here, go raw link, you do copy link, boom, you're set. It just goes to landing page. And then what you want to do, if we go to another page here, another tab here, you'll see what it looks like. This is what the lander looks like that people are going to go to. And so you can literally take all this, the images, everything. You can save it, download it, screenshot it, whatever you want to do, different parts of it. And then you add it into your landing page, okay? And what it said was win $300,000 instant cash giveaway. And so you say, play for a chance to win $300,000, okay? and then you add to it and you make it look better and you put the background, and you want to do the same kind of colors and the same font style and everything. And then when you're ready, you can add a button and you can keep it really simple, but you want to do similar call to action like they have. They say play to win and it's a yellow button, and so you kind of just say play to win, then you put your affiliate link there. Then you can make it a big button, and you really want to make big buttons ultimately, but it just depends. You want to look at different styles of doing things. You want to look at the themes, and we can make it yellow, whatever. You know, we could put way more time into this, but I'm trying to explain to you guys like how you can actually make money doing this. You want to put more media here, like an image and more text above it in between. You want to have a background image. You want to do the theme of black and yellow and blue. Those are the colors you want to leverage, and then you want to do kind of more round type fonts, okay? And if you can, yeah, I'll show you that in a second. But if you can make your button bigger and rounder using ClickFunnels and maybe coding something from scratch, making your own custom with a different software. But this is simple. This is called Google Sites. It's free. You can get tons of traffic for free sent and all this stuff, and you can make simple landing pages. So it's a great platform to use. I highly recommend it, all right? And if we keep going here, let me explain how you actually start getting traffic after you set this up. So you've got the offer, you've got your affiliate link, you hooked it all up together with your landing page, and then if you don't want to do that landing page, you can choose to do this type of landing page. And this is a funnel I show my students. This is one of the first successes I ever had, okay? Doing CPA marketing with paid traffic. You can do this with free traffic right here, or paid, it's your choice. Now what I did essentially was, I'll show you so you can basically see it better. But the background was black. For some reason it's not showing black right now because I haven't used this in a while. But it has a countdown timer for urgency and scarcity, all this stuff. Let me open it up right here in the edit page so you can see it better. Let me just change it to be black, I guess. Okay, there you go. Great. And then, see, I haven't touched this funnel in a while. And then if I were to run this again, I would change this background banner to match the one of the offer. And so I'd basically make it a replica landing page is what I call it. I collect people's emails, boom, they're in my email list. They click here, and then they instantly get redirected over to my affiliate link, which you can set it up somewhere here. Let me see. Integrations. No, that's not it. General. Okay, on submit, it goes to your affiliate link. You can have it directly go to the affiliate link right after, just by putting your affiliate link right there, okay? And then I had some social proof here showing like testimonials or whatever, and then like authority bias, showing different authorities and companies essentially recommending it. And then I told people to share it with their friends. This is how I did it my first time ever. And you can copy this or keep it even more simple. It's just, for this specific method, it's about collecting your own emails. And when you collect your own emails, you can set up an autoresponder sequence to send emails to people for months on months on months and promote more offers than just this offer here. You can promote way more sweepstake offers, and you just want to have a landing page in between every single every time they click the email and they click the link, they go to your landing page and then go to the offer. You want to have a landing page every single time. Or you can have an offer wall page, and I'll show you what an offer wall looks like real quick. Let me just press save here. Okay. So an offer wall page essentially looks like this. This is the first one I ever made. They look different nowadays, but they're pretty similar still. Promote a bunch of offers, send people here, and they check out all these offers. They click over to them, okay? And they'll click, and they go to an offer, and you just tell them, hey, the more you freaking you sign up for to win, the higher the chance you have of winning something. And so you have them just convert on all these offers. Whichever one catches their eye, they go for. And whichever one you're not getting conversions on, cut it out and then add a new one, okay? And that's kind of how you can do that. But ultimately, guys, if you keep it really simple, you pick one offer and then you set up a landing page just for that one offer. You could do a few other offers if you choose to, but anyway. And then it just comes time for making like simple content on TikTok. So here's how you do it, especially for whatever niche it is. So based off this, it's a sweepstake niche and giveaways and stuff like that. So you want to go look at a bunch of content that's already out there and see what people are doing. And most people don't most likely call their account sweepstakes or whatever, but giveaways. And you can just start doing your own research and stuff. Let's see what this one's all about. So this person essentially might be doing scratch offs or something to win money, and that's like what their content is. And you can keep it very simple. You can also do stitch content. So you find really, really popular content on TikTok. Okay, you can go to the For You page or anything. You just find it, and then you set up a quick stitch. A stitch is essentially you just click a link in a freaking post. Let's see. It's super simple based off what I have seen. You can go inside your app and see it. But essentially, you when you see a post inside the actual app, it'll have a button where you can basically be like, okay, I want to stitch with this or duet with this. And you can basically make very simple content based off content that's already made that works. I'm telling you guys. And then it just gets out there. And then for your what's it called, the description of the video that you post, you just tell them, you call to action, you tell them, hey, if you want to win whatever the offer is, like $300,000, click the link in my bio. And then you send them to this exact link. And if you have no followers yet and you can't have a link in your bio, then just go find a way. Just Google buy TikTok followers, buy like 1,000 followers on TikTok. So you can get started so you can have a link. And then just keep posting. And you're going to get people responding. You're going to get traffic. And you know the craziest thing is if you get a video that gets like 1 million views or even like 100,000 views, whatever, it's just going to grow for you regardless with everything you're doing, and just be consistent. You're going to make hundreds of bucks per day with this method. Just do it. I mean, it's going to make you money. And just repost this content. You don't have to make any content. Like I said, you can do duets and stitches. You don't have to show your face. You can just do something simple. You can also leverage trending music, all this stuff. And then inside the, oh yeah, you can also edit over it and put text over it to say have a chance to win whatever offer you're promoting. Have a chance to win a gift card or whatever thing. And then they click over, and a certain percentage of people will always click over, and they will go convert, and they'll go click, and they'll go give their email address, all this stuff, and they'll convert. You'll make $1.80 per lead every single time, and it'll add up for you. This will happen every single day, constantly like clockwork for you. And if you do the route of building an email list, then you can grow an email list, and basically whenever you want, send an email to that list, and you can print money on demand. Like I have an email list with over like 500,000 people in it, and I can just send a big email to that whole list, and like I'll make like 10 grand to 30 grand or more just promoting an offer that has no cap on it, like no cap of 300 actions only per day. And if it has no cap, as many people as I can get in, I get in, and I make that money. And that's because I have an email list. And so I recommend for you, get an email list, build an email list. You will not regret it. I mean, it's the closest thing to printing money that I can think of that's legal. You know what I mean? So it's just insane. And then when you're ready to scale things, go over to YouTube Shorts and make content over there as well. You can't really do this stitch and duet content probably and transfer it over to YouTube because that might be copyright. But at the end of the day, it's all about adding up content, making a lot of content constantly, okay? And that just adds up for you, and boom, 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 you make money. And when you want to get started, put like $10 into TikTok ads, just boosting each TikTok you have, okay, as an ad. And you're going to see it can get boosted out there. You can get bigger results. You put money in to make money back out. And if it's profitable, keep going. I mean, there's nothing wrong with free trafficking. This is a free traffic method. But you can also put your money back into it to grow it. Why not? And then as you scale and scale and scale, eventually you can kind of set up a whole funnel where you have many offers involved, many offers involved. And you're promoting them in the email sequence. You have multiple, you send people inside the bio of your TikTok. You send them to a link that has many links inside of it to send to many different offers, okay? And so this method can make you guys money. Share this with your friends so you can all make money together or whatever. Share this with your friends and family because this can make you guys money. There's a lot of people teaching methods out there, but I'm telling you, all my methods make money. This is about getting you guys results. I cracked the code at a young age and figured it out. So I'm just here to share with you guys these crazy, crazy methods. So it's simple, easy. Here you go. Go get it. Go make it happen. If you cannot get signed up on Maxbounty, go over to CPA Grip. Maxbounty is a great platform, but CPA Grip is easy to get approved to, and there's many other networks. Just apply to many networks. You're going to basically be able to follow along with this channel, and any offers I'm showing you guys how to promote, boom, you're ready. You know what I mean? So there you go. Thanks for watching. Check out the Money Accelerator if you want more powerful methods. But if you have no money right now, which I hope you have money right now, but if you don't, do this free method I'm sharing with you now, okay? And go all out. Go all in. Create content, create content, create content. Keep it simple, but also try to think outside the box. And you're going to see money roll in, okay? That's what it's all about for you, all right? And so stay tuned for more Make Money methods. Go check out more videos on the channel. And peace out, learning machines. Peace!